showed that again today.
Yeah, that's it. They have both won around this track, haven't they? Jensen's won around here twice, back-to-back years. I mean, how much confidence does that give you coming into a place where you've won before?
Well, I think you have to, I mean, obviously you can like a place, so it's been kind to you, and Hungary was very good to me, but you can't count on anything, you know, you have to take every new event as a completely blank slate. And they will be going in, those two guys will be going into debrief room, and they'll be going, right, let's have a look and see where I can get the edge from the other guy. Yeah. And right now, they know they've got an advantage over the competition, but they're going to have to race and cleanly bring home a 1-2 from McLaren. But which one?
We shall see. Right, so let's move a little bit further down the panel. Loads of mixed day for them. Let's hear from their team principal, Billie. Again, talking to Ted.
Well, Eric, congratulations. That's a fantastic effort by Romain.
Yeah, it's a fantastic effort by Romain. I mean, he was there all the sessions this morning, and it's the best reward we can get for the team in Estonia. And now my thoughts are in Estonia, and I'm happy for all our people.
Good. I'm sure they'll be happy too. Tell us what happened to Kimi.
Just traffic and little mistakes, and it's not easy to try to clear up and to make a lot of mistakes, and unfortunately he did a mistake and we didn't do it. But I think next time will be better.
Yeah, you think without that he would have been right up there with Romain? You've got no doubts about that?
No doubt about that. I mean, in his first two sectors was a couple of tenths of Romain's pace, so he was clearly with Romain, and unfortunately he mistake in the last sector.
And just have to ask you about some thoughts on Mercedes' system. We've seen you in meetings with Charlie Whiting earlier on, along with Red Bull, with Adrian.
Yeah, clever girl.
On the legality of Mercedes' system.